Hi, good morning, everyone. So, this is another pre-market analysis on forex pairs. So, let's get into it. So, previously I did some analysis and I've uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. So, you can check that out before you check this out. They all contain very nice pairs with nice quality setup. So, yeah, let's go. So, today's first pair is AUDUSD. AUDUSD. So AUDUSD and AUDUSD starting from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here and my monthly lower zone. Okay, my monthly lower zone here and my monthly upper zone here. So AUDUSD, what is price currently doing? Price is kind of in a it's kind of bullish. Why do I think price is kind of bullish? Because price has touched the demand zone and it started going up. After touching this demand zone, the demand zone here started going up. So will price continue going up or will it reverse and break the demand zone? Let's go to the lower time frames and find out. Yeah. So let's go to the here we are on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here and my weekly lower zone here. So on the weekly time frame, we see price is in kind of in a downtrend. So let's see a lower low breaking the resistance. There's demand, the support, then a retest. So after retest, should be expecting a new low. And if you watch here closely, price has given us a very nice bearish engulfing over here. So this should tell us that AUDUSD is kind of bearish here. But is it bearish? Let's go at how price is behaving in this space. It's not clear for me. How price is behaving in this space is not clear for me. So let's go to the daily time frame and see if price is really bearish. Let's go. Or if the market is really bearish. Okay. So on the daily time frame, price is forming a series of higher highs and higher lows. So you see higher high equal low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. No, this is a high, not a higher high, just a high, a lower low, a new higher high, equal low, and prices here. So should we expect price to go up again or break? So on AUDUSD, how on the monthly time frame, price just tapped the demand zone and started going up, but it's not really showing any strong bullish movement. On the weekly time frame also, price is kind of bearish, and on the daily time frame, price is bullish. So what you are going to do is, right now we don't know what AUDUSD is doing. Like, we don't really know the rightful direction. So if we don't know the rightful direction, what I do all the time is I just sit back and watch and let price do what it wants to do, since I don't know the rightful direction. So I just sit back and let price do what it wants to do. So after it has done all that and I see a clear direction which aligns with the higher time frames altogether, then I'll be looking for an entry. But since I don't really know the rightful direction on AUDUSD, I can't really take any trade or say, oh, we can buy from here or sell from here. So with that being said, that'll be all on AUDUSD because you don't know the rightful direction. But let's move on to the next pair. Since you don't know the rightful direction on AUDUSD, let's move. So the next pair on the list is NZDUSD. The next pair on the list is NZDUSD. NZDUSD. So NZDUSD is bullish. Yeah, this I can say because anytime price taps into this certain demand zone, price tends to go up. Price tends to go up. So we are also expecting the same to happen over here. And NZDUSD on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly demand zone and my monthly supply zone here. So if you watch closely, NZDUSD is bullish. Now, NZDUSD is bullish. NZDUSD is bullish. NZDUSD is bullish. So since NZDUSD is bullish, if we are going to the lower time frame, we are just gonna look for buying opportunities. Just gonna look for buying opportunities. You're not going to look for selling opportunities. Even if you see selling opportunities, you are just going to look for buying opportunities. So let's go to the weekly time frame before we go to the daily and the 4 hour and see how we're gonna do it. Yeah, so on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here and my weekly lower zone. So on the weekly time frame, you could clearly see that price is in a downtrend. The monthly time frame is telling us price is in an uptrend. So we are moving with the monthly time frame. But the weekly time frame is telling us price is in a downtrend. While after price broke out of the previous lower low, which was here, price broke out of it. Now it went for the lower high and it started dropping. And after the lower high, you could see a very nice significant pin bar over here, which is showing us selling pressure. Significant pin bar, which is showing us selling pressure. But even though we are seeing a very nice significant pin bar with selling pressure, are we going to looking for sales? No. We are going to wait until the sellers are done selling, and when the buyers take over, then you join the ride. Does that make sense? Okay. So on the weekly time frame, this is all I can see. So let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame here, I have my daily demand zone here. Here is my daily demand zone. So on the daily time frame, what am I seeing? I'm seeing a bullish market or an uptrend, a series of higher highs and higher lows, just like we saw, just like I said on the monthly time frame. We are bullish. So if you see the monthly time frame and the daily time frame are aligning together, the monthly time frame and the daily time frame are aligning together. So since the higher time frame and the daily time frame is aligning together, we can go to the 4 hour and look for buying opportunities peacefully. So let's see. So this was the lower low. Then price broke out of the low high, created a new high, came for an equal low, an equal high, then a lower low, lower high, an equal low, a new lower high. Then we are seeing a lower low. So will price be able to will buyers be able to reverse the will buyers be able to reverse price from this demand zone? We don't know yet, but time will tell. Don't know yet, but time will tell. So let's go to the 4 hour and prepare for an entry on NZDUSD. So on NZDUSD, you see price has been ranging in this zone for a very long time. Price has been ranging here in this zone for a very long time, and it was doing the same here until it broke out. It was doing the same until it managed to broke out and went all the way up here, and now it dropped and it's been doing the same over here for a while. So what should we expect? Price, I'm expecting price to drop and tap into the daily zone before it starts moving up. So someone could say there is a demand zone over here. Yeah, it's a demand zone, but that was just a newly created demand zone that price gave. So why I'm saying price will drop into this daily demand zone is because of liquidity. So liquidity traders will tell you price will drop and come and grab liquidity over here. Even though this is a demand zone here, price will drop and grab liquidity over here before going up. So like it moves in this form. Then boom, it starts going up. So this is where price is currently at. Price is currently over here. And this was the ranging zone that I marked. So price will drop and tap into the daily zone, then boom, it goes up. It will just go up and break this zone. It started creating new higher highs and higher lows, just like that. So this is why I think this is what I think price. This is what I think I'm interested in. If price does this, that's what I'm interested in, and I'm very sure it will go. And I'm very sure price will do that. So you just have to watch out for price to do what it wants to do. And if price doesn't drop to the daily zone, then we are going to wait until price breaks out of the 4 hour zone here, the higher high. We are going to wait for price to break out of here. Then before we'll be looking for opportunities. If price doesn't tap here, then you are going to wait for price to break out of here before you'll be looking for opportunities to buy all the way to the upside, because we are in a bullish market. We are in a bullish market. So yeah, that's all on NZDUSD. NZDUSD. And don't forget, you can check out my Telegram bio and you get access to my free Telegram channel link, which you can join the Telegram channel, and anytime I just set this any of this setup is ready, I just drop it in the group and you can also take and ride along with us. And also I've started my mentorship slot is open, so you can also join it. I have 10 limited slots for I have limited slots for the first 10 people to join. They only pay a limited amount. They only pay $60 instead of $100 as usual, and it's only available for the first 10 people, and people have already started booking the slot. So I advise you to also hop in and book your slot right now. Instead of you waiting, you should book your slot right now if you also want to join. So yeah, let's move on to the next pair. The next pair is the next pair on my list is USD CHF. The next pair on my list is USD CHF. The next pair on my list is USD CHF. So on USD CHF on the monthly time frame, what am I seeing? I am seeing a very beautiful downtrend, a very nice bearish market. Why am I saying price is bearish? If you see over here, anytime price taps into this supply zone, it drops to the demand zone, and when it touches the demand zone, it goes up to the supply zone. So what does that tell us? Tell us USD CHF is ranging on the monthly time frame. USD CHF is ranging on the monthly time frame. Okay, so since USD CHF is ranging, let's mark out our zone and continue with the analysis. So on USD CHF on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone, my monthly midway zone, and my monthly lower zone. My monthly lower zone, my monthly upper zone, and my monthly higher. Sorry, my monthly lower zone, my monthly midway zone, and my monthly upper zone. So with that, since you already know USD CHF since you already know USD CHF is bearish, you should be looking for selling opportunities. And this even also makes the selling very valid. So if you see a new lower low, lower high, then a lower low, equal high, equal low, you've seen another equal high, and equal low again, and equal low again. So with right now, will price drop all the way to the monthly zone again? We don't know yet, but you can find out as we go through the lower time frames. So let's go to the weekly. So yeah, here on the weekly time frame, we have my weekly upper zone and my weekly lower zone. My weekly upper zone and my weekly lower zone. So on the weekly time frame, price is forming a series of higher highs. Yeah, it's trying to form higher highs and higher lows. So this is what price is trying to do: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like this. But the monthly time frame is telling us that we are in a downtrend. So what we should be looking for is selling opportunities. So what NZDUSD is doing here, like this, drop creating an equal low, you should be expecting price to break before it comes to show us that price will continue going down. Then that's what we are expecting, but we don't know if price will do that. But on the weekly time frame, I can see price is currently at my weekly demand zone, my weekly lower zone, or my weekly demand zone. That's where price is currently at. So let's go to the daily time frame and find out what we can do. So on the daily time frame, I have my daily upper zone here, my daily midway zone, and my daily lower zone. So on the daily time frame, will price drop all the way to the lower? Will price break the? So okay, if we are saying price is in a downtrend on the monthly time frame, you should be expecting a formation of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and price is actually doing that on the daily time frame. So if you see, this was a lower, higher low, higher high, an equal low, an equal high, an equal low, an equal high, then an equal low again, an equal then created a new lower low, a lower low, lower high, then drop all the way for a lower low. So what we should be expecting according to the rule of lower lows and lower highs is price should come and tap into the breakout zone here. Price should come for the breakout zone here. But price is failing to do that. And price is failing to do that. So what price is doing right now is after tapping, creating a new lower low, it went for a high, equal low and equal high, and it's seeing enough selling pressure to push down. So are we expecting price to push down and break the previous lower low or the weekly demand zone? Yes, that's what we are expecting. That's what I'm expecting price to do. I'm expecting price to do that definitely. So if I'm expecting price to do that, then we have to be looking for opportunities to sell all the way down. So on the weekly time frame also, you could see on the daily time frame also, you could see price giving us a very nice candle confirmation, telling us that it's ready to go down, it's ready to sell. So we should hop in and ride along. So if you see here on the daily time frame, have a very nice bearish engulfing, a very nice bearish engulfing. So that's just being said. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see. So on the 4-hour time frame, price what we saw on the daily time frame, like the higher highs and the higher lows, if you come to the 4-hour time frame, it's a ranging or a consolidation zone. It's a ranging or a consolidation zone. So since this is the consolidation zone, what we are we all expect, like I always tell you about the rule of consolidation. If price is ranging or consolidating, you should always stay away, or like you must stay away. If you are a swing trader, this rule applies to you. If you are a swing trader, I always advise you to stay away from that pair and wait for a very nice breakout or a very beautiful breakout. When price breaks out of that zone, then you can be looking for opportunities to ride along. But when price is ranging, don't be in a rush to trade. Don't be in a rush to trade. I know as a beginner it will be very hard. It will be very hard to do. But since I've also been a beginner, I know how it feels, how it is. So it will be very hard, especially when you are trading one pair. It will be very hard to do. But you have to build yourself to that level where you can do it. If something is hard, doesn't mean it's impossible. It's hard, yes, but it's not impossible. So we should be looking for ways of being disciplined enough not to trade in a ranging or a consolidation. But if you still want to trade, you can go to the lower time frames and look for opportunities. The lower time frames and look for opportunities. Okay, yeah. So since we finalized that USD is ranging or consolidating on a 4-hour time frame, we are going to wait for a breakout. And where are we expecting the breakout to? We are expecting the breakout to the downside. We are expecting the breakout to the downside. So this would be how we expect the breakout. A breakout, a retest, then a continuous drop to the downside like this. So if price breaks out of the zone, comes back for a retest over here, then we can be looking for selling opportunities all the way to the monthly zone. You can be looking for selling opportunities all the way to the monthly zone. And take note, this setup, because of the pair we are getting a setup on, there's a possibility if we target the monthly zone, it can take us more than a month for this setup to hit our take profit. But it's cool. It's cool. You don't have to stress yourself about it. As long as you're a swing trader, it's cool. You just have to enter the trade, set your TP and your stop loss. You could, as long as as long as you manage your risks, you don't have to stress yourself about anything. You just have to watch and let price do what it does. It can take you weeks for one setup to play out, or even a month, and it's cool because yeah, if you're a swing trader, you have to know that that's how it is. We hold trade for a very long time, and we don't catch little pips like 10 pips, 20, 100 pips. Nah, we don't do that here. We catch good amount of pips. Like this trade alone, that's about 300 pips, and you're only risking 67, or so. Let's say you are risking 70 pips for 300 pips. That's like 1 is to 4. So if you catch trades like this and hold it for a very long time, no matter the lot size you use or your account size, the risks you use, you still make enough for yourself. You still make enough for yourself. So yeah, this will be our setup on USD CHF. USD CHF. So the next pair on my list is card JPY. The next pair on my list is card JPY. Okay, this is card JPY on the monthly time frame. Card JPY on the monthly time frame. Okay, so on the monthly time frame on card JPY, I'm seeing a very beautiful uptrend. A very beautiful uptrend. So a higher high, higher low, higher high, and equal low, equal high, then an low, equal low, and price is showing up enough buying pressure that to start rising. So what should you expect? A bullish market on card JPY. Card JPY is bullish. So on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly midway zone, and my monthly lower zone. My monthly upper zone, my monthly midway zone, and my monthly lower zone. So on card JPY, I said earlier, price is bullish. Price is bullish. So if you are watching this video right now, you can give it a pause and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification, so anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first, you'll be one of the first people to actually get a notification to watch. And after you are done, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment something nice on this video, or if you have a request for me to analyze any pair, any question you have about how I trade, or anything you want to know about the forex market, you can also ask me in the comment section, and I'll check it up and reply to you. I'll check it up and reply to you. You can also share it with your family and friends, so they can also have a good view of what you are doing around here. So yeah, with that being said, let's go on to the weekly time frame on card JPY. So on card JPY, like I said earlier, we are in a bullish market. We are in a bullish market, and you can see the demand zone, a very strong one. Anytime price taps into that particular demand zone, it goes up anytime or all the time. All the time price taps into this zone, it always goes up. So is it a must that it goes up? I think so. I think it's a must that price will always go up after tapping into this particular demand zone. I think it's a must price will go up after tapping into this particular demand zone. Okay, yeah. So on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly supply zone here. So on the monthly time frame, I'm expecting price to go up, tap into the demand zone, like we said earlier. So I said on the monthly time frame price is bullish, and here on the weekly time frame also price is bullish. So if the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame align together, you should be looking for buying opportunities. Like I said, on the monthly time frame we are looking for buying opportunities and buying opportunities. So let's go to the daily and then to the 4 hour, and then we look for an entry on card JPY. Then we look for an entry on card JPY. So on card JPY, I have my monthly upper zone here and my monthly lower zone here. My monthly upper zone and my monthly lower zone. So on card JPY, what am I seeing on the daily time frame? I'm seeing a series of higher highs and higher lows. Series of higher highs and higher lows. So on the daily time frame, price is forming higher high, higher low, higher so higher high and higher low. So you should be expecting something like this again. And if you see on the daily time frame, price is at a monthly zone, monthly midway zone. It first broke out of the zone and now it dropped all the way to this zone. Okay. So if you were already in the Telegram channel or you have my WhatsApp number, you've been in contact with me, you could see I posted this particular setup that we are expecting price to drop here into this zone, then we buy. This was the setup I gave when price was around here. Price was bullish around here, and I was saying if you just wait for price to drop, price was around here, so you just wait for price to drop into the zone, then we buy. But price, after price dropped into the zone, it didn't really give me what I was expecting. Price didn't give me what I was expecting. Rather, it gave me just a candle, just a bullish market. So after I saw this candle formation over here, I know that price will definitely drop into the zone again because it didn't tap the zone I just tapped the tip of the zone and started going up. But I'm actually expecting, or I always want price to tap into my zone. When it taps into the zone before the buying momentum comes, then I'm very sure of the setup. I'm very sure of the setup. That's why you see me most of the time not taking trades like this, but rather I take trades like this. You won't see me taking this type of trade. Most of the time, I don't take this type of trade, but rather I take my trade from inside the zone. So right now, I'm expecting price to tap into the zone like this instead of giving me this. I'm expecting this. So right now that gone up, price has gone up and dropped into the zone again. First went up, dropped, went up. So I'm expecting price to tap into the zone maybe all the way here before it goes up. So since I'm still expect with that expectation, I want this is what I'm expecting price to do. Drop into the zone a little bit, give us a candle confirmation, which is a must that we get before we take this trade. It's a must that we get that candle confirmation. So what are the candle confirmations? The candle confirmations, the bullish candle confirmations are a bullish engulfing, a significant pin bar, or a morning star. Any of these candle formations are good. So if I see any of them in this zone, then I'll take my trade from here all the way up, all the way to the weekly zone, all the way to the weekly zone. So this will be the setup on card JPY. This will be the setup on card JPY. This will be the setup on card JPY. Oh, really tired. Ooh. Okay, so this will be the setup on JPY. So I'll actually, I'm really, wow, this video has been long. A 35 minutes video long. So uh, what I'll do here is I'll end this recording here, and I'll actually do the rest of the pairs on another video. So I'll end this one here and continue with another video. So if you are watching this video, if you want to watch the rest of the analysis, you can also check out my YouTube channel and for the next analysis. So after you watch this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also comment something nice. Share with your family and friends so you could reach a lot of people. And if you still want to join my mentorship group, my mentorship batch for the next month, then you can also book a slot. I only have 10 slots available, and right now some have been booked. I have to check how many have been booked and how many is available. I'll update you guys. And if you also want to join, the price is very affordable. 100, it was $100, but I've reduced it to $60. I'm making it very affordable for everyone. Very only $60 for you to grab a slot, and it's a 2 month course. It's going to take you 2 months for you to finish the course. So I'm going to be taking you every step away. I'll be with you every step away for you to, from the beginning to the end. I'll be there with you, and it's not something which will end, like which will expire after 2 months. It's for life. It will be a lifetime course that you be under me for life. I'll be with you anywhere, like every step away in your forex trading journey. I'll be with you. So if you want to get access to the course, just check out my Telegram bio, and you see my Telegram group there. I also upload the flyer very soon, so you can see you get access to my WhatsApp contact on the flyer, or my Telegram account, my Telegram username also on the flyer, so you can contact me from any of them, and I'll respond to you and we see how it is. So with that being said, you should also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with your family and friends, and join the free Telegram channel so you could also get quality setups when they are cooked. This analysis I've done, when the setups are cooked, I'll surely drop some of them in the Telegram channel for you to also take. So that being said, let's end it here and continue with the next video. And yeah, peace.